actually enjoy your life as teenagers and students. It's the engine that helps you connect when things get a bit stressful. Think of it this way. We don't always wait for a bone to break before we actually go to the doctor. We always take care of our physical health. Well, we do the same way with mental health. Mental health is just as important with your physical health because we have to normalize taking the time to take care of it. We said at the end of the day, a strong mind also builds a strong life. Alright? Now, let's talk about the phone. Who here has a cell phone? Can you raise your hand? So that means almost everyone here owns a phone. So with that, the biggest issue with social media is the validation loop. Or we can also call it as the fear of missing out. Psychologists define FOMO, or the fear of missing out, as a pervasive apprehension that others are having rewarding experiences which from you are absent. Or in simpler terms, it's the unsettling feeling that you're being left out on all of the fun. It's the feeling that you're not experiencing the same things that your peers, your classmates, and your other friends from different places can also attest to.